Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to record screen on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just look for an option of screen recording. Now if you cannot find the screen recording option in your control center, just tap on the three dots over here, then tap on Edit Tiles. Under More Tiles, just look for an option of screen recorder. Now once you find the option of screen recorder, just tap on it to add it to your control center. After you add the screen recording option to the control center, just tap on the back button to save. Now to start screen recording, just tap on the screen recorder option in the control center and tap on screen record. Now if you want to record the system sound of your smartphone, just enable this toggle and it will record the system sounds in your screen recording. And if you want to record your voice from the microphone of your smartphone, just enable this toggle and it will record your sound from the microphone of your smartphone in your screen recording. And once you're satisfied with the screen recording settings, just tap on Start Recording. And once you do that, your smartphone will start screen recording just like that. As you can see, we have successfully started screen recording. Now, if you tap on the microphone icon, you will turn off the microphone while screen recording, and it will not record your voice with the microphone of your smartphone. And if you enable this icon, your smartphone will start recording your voice through the microphone of your smartphone. And from here, you can either enable or disable system sound recording while screen recording. And once you're satisfied with your screen recording, just tap on the red icon to finish recording. Now to find your screen recordings, just open the Photos app. And from here, you will find the screen recordings of your smartphone. To do that, your smartphone will start screen recording. Now, if your smartphone does not have the screen recording feature in your control center, and if you want to record the screen of your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on the X icon and tap on Enable. On this page, just tap on X Recorder and enable this option. After that, just go back. Now just select Allow. Now once you do that, a small icon will appear on the screen. Now to start screen recording, just tap on this icon over here and tap on the red dot. Now just select while using the app. Now just tap on Entire Screen and make sure you select Entire Screen. Then tap on Start. And once you do that, you will start screen recording on your smartphone. And once you're satisfied with your screen recording, just tap on the bubble over here and tap on the red square like that. And once you do that, you will finish screen recording. Now to find your screen recording, just open the X Recorder app on your smartphone. And from here, you will find all your screen recordings. On your smartphone. And this is how you can record the screen on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.